Also at guard number 18, Ian Melencio. At forward number 16, CJ Alatica. Jason Strait. Coming in at center number 15, GP Faundo.
Valenzuela in white and Marikina in their purple threads. Valenzuela wins the tip. Bagong floor director natin na nagiging habit na pre-game na meron tayong nagkakaraoke. Hinihintay niyang matapos maligo yung mga player niya.
Kaya bagay sila ni Kuya Jun Dizon, no? Naging teammate ko yan si Kuya Jun. As you see this jumper by CJ Alatica. Laging intense kasi ang itsura nito si Kuya Jun Dizon.
Si CJ din palangiti din yan.
Tama.
Diba? You may look at him as tough looking, but when you get to know him, oh, that's a good drive by Reggie Boy Basibas.
Yes, sir. Papakidnap ko. That's my guy. Pero Jay Coliano continues to struggle, no?
Obuyes, pinasok na dito.
Syempre. Eto, you talk about a guy that's papuntang screen. Ang ganda ng paggamit niya ng speed move. Look at this. Kakapasok lang. A walk in the park 3.
Three-point shot brought to you by Extreme.
A couple words there, okay? Key words. You never mention to people who don't have hair. Ponytail and hairline. Now I'm not so sure kung paborito ko ba yun siya. I'm just kidding, Gianna, but thank you for that report, Ken. I remember na 7-all yan kaya nga 7-0 run, no? Tingnan natin, after a timeout, ito. Ang ganda ng atake doon, the lefty. Nice. Ganda ng recovery daw ni Alabanza doon sa fake hand of Ubuyes. Though splits the D, gets the bounce. Swabe gumalaw to. Wala mang bigote, no? Pero gusto swabe itong si Ubuyes. I am slowly liking his game.
Yeah. 8 points for Jello Ubuyes.
May konting swag din siya maglaro. Pero silent type.
Yeah.
First possession, unang salo niya ng bola yon, unang hawak. This was splitting the defense, gets the shooter's bound.
Today the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL.
Libre sa ilalim. Si Ubat.
Beginning to be one of those guys who is so efficient per minute. Obviously, the best in that department is Nick Caballero of Pinyan. Oh, Pasajeros bouncing it off the back of Ubaldo and finishing it off with a basket. Tight pass. Coliano comes away with it. Alanes 3-on-2 fast break. Bounce pass. Jay Coliano finishing through contact. Counted plus the foul.
Up for that give and go. Hapon ng bola. Layup sa kabila.
Fast player of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook. Pass to Shaq Alanes. Coliano, open free. No good. Basibas nakuha yung rebound. Nagmamadali ang Marikina. Santa Ana, sidestep.
Yeah.
Able to finish plus the foul.
Santa Ana, look at this move. Again, sidestepping middle to the lane.
Ian Melencio. Destacamento, susubok sa dress. Wala. Alatica fights for it and puts it in plus the foul.
By CJ Alatica just comes out of nowhere after the bounce. Pasaol had two hands with the ball. But
Is yung tres. Alanes. Pasa ay CJ Alatica with that marvelous finish.
yun yung tamang 2-on-1 dahil yung pinasahan niya, hindi na Oligario. Alatica na. Uy! Palpalo ni King, no? Even after the ball fake, pero ang ganda ng recovery at nung cut, ipasa all.
Pass to the outside. Alanes spots up. Pasimas throws it behind his back. Faundo will lay it in.
What a play. Play-in, play-off team.
Jason Strait finishing underneath the rim. Brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL.
Nice find here by pa sa O.
Got in too deep. Pasa kay Jason Strait. Sa labas, Escoto. 5 points in the third period for the former UST Tiger Cub. Ganap ng papasahan na kay Obuyes. Pupukol sa tres. Wala. Another rebound controlled by Basibas. Basibas has 11 boards. Escoto lines it up and nails the three-pointer. Alano lost it. Santa Ana. The pass. Soriano will finish.
Nice recovery right there. Almost a steal by Valenzuela, pero finished by Soriano.
Amaradlo off the dribble. Escoto bounce pass. Jason Strait stretches and lays it in. Tabla na tayo, 53 all.
Free throws once again for him.
Steal of the game brought to you by the Extreme Boom 3 waterproof speaker. Unstoppable sound, ultimate power.
Remember, he had
Good pass. Basibas, the reverse. By Jetro Escoto.
pangatlo na yan in this quarter alone.
All of his 11 points in the third, comes away with a steal, and he will lay it in for two. Period from Jetro Escoto.
Agaw.
Nice anticipation and able to get himself turning things around after being down by as many as 17 points.
It's a classic motion play. Alanes though. Finally.
Against Ubaldo. Naagaw ni Escoto. Running start. Jetro is ahead. Able to adjust and finish.
You talk about ham time.
You by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL.
This was the steal and little hang time.
Jordan Santa Ana off the dribble, kicks it out to Villarente, high arcing free, book it.
Papasok ng fourth, obviously hindi maganda yung third quarter nitong Valenzuela. Medyo lumalalim na sama ng loob, pero CJ Alatica walang masama ang loob doon. Sequence.
Santa Ana, short 2-point shot. Oligario nakuha yung rebound. Alanes, book it from downtown. Manny Pay, the digital wallet built for the community. CJ Alatica goes reverse. How about CJ giving them a lift here early in the fourth quarter?
Himself a 7-0 run for Valenzuela. 4 coming from because Alatica is usually the one giving the screen. He's been the primary ball handler on that empty corner, scored twice already.
Trying to change things here against Valenzuela. Shaq Alanes though nails his third triple of the ball game for a total of 15 points. Basibas another rebound. Reggie Boy blocked. Melencio with a running start. Alatica can't finish. 5 on the shot clock. Escoto pupukol ulit sa tres. Oh my goodness! Tatalbog palabas yung tres. Rebound nakuha ni Lester Reyes. Past the halfway point of the fourth. Alanes thought about it. They go to the post. Collado, they swing it. Alanes spots up and he hits it.
He's a bad boy.
4 triples in a ball game for Shaq Alanes.
A stroke of beauty for the lefty.
Santa Ana spins. No. Straight. Fouled by CJ Alatica. Tabla tayo 76 all, approaching the 4-minute mark. Santa Ana trying to escape. Basibas has a double-double. Gets his 10th point with 13 rebounds. And more importantly, the lead. Alanes long free air ball. CJ stolen away by Santa Ana.
No numbers. Yun lang. Nagkaroon bigla ng free lane. That was a 2 versus 4 break. Now you see, Shaq, now you don't. Who said that a magician can only...
Pass to Pasaol, corner pocket free. Masivas, his 14th rebound, and puts in his 12th point on the ball game. Shaq bubbled it up, turnover. Marikina on the run, Jason straight all the way.
Coast-to-coast finish by Straight after the turnover and another turnover.
Last 2 minutes brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. Mintis yung pangatlo ni Alanes, but they get the ball back off the offensive rebound. Alanes attacks. No, follow-up is good from Lordy Casajeros.
Nice.
What's gonna happen on this possession? Escoto airballs the shot. Ahead is Casajeros. Blocked by Masibas. Masibas fading away. Good! What a sequence for Reggie Boy Masibas. 14 points, 14 rebounds, including this huge basket to put them up by 3. 86-83, third left. Coliano, open look. Dilua. Escoto could ice it with 2 free throws. He hits the first. Kita dito. Hindi. So Escoto. And that's gonna do it.
Yeah.
How about Marikina? Battling back from 17 points down. And they defeat Valenzuela behind that strong third quarter performance.